So we just fucking get this huge storm coming down from the south. I just talked to my aunt in Dubuque and they say they have quarter to golf-sized ball hail. And we are stuck in a fucking tent.
We all just rushed out here. Fucking Kyle saw it.
Within
out of like nowhere.
2 minutes it's turned to this. But like, the wind all of a sudden moved from going north to moving south.
You stuck your drink, that's
So it started hailing. It's fucking hailing, man. We're trying to keep this side dry. Hey, by the way, cheers. Cheers to the storm. Everybody, grab them if you got them.
Go.
farted. You know, last I heard, colony rules strictly forbid farting. No farting in this area. Just hanging out.
You're a terrible reporter, by the way. By the way, so it's been about an hour since the rain first started, and we are first holding our tent up from destruction. And
where? From where?
That's why holding the tent up.
So it stopped hailing now. The winds have let up a little bit. Still raining pretty fucking hard. We're all a little drunk, and Michael's petting me. We're playing cards, and Kyle's filming it.
And I'm an asshole.
And Morgan's asshole.
We've had some serious leakage going on in our tent, and we've been patching it up, having a good time, you know.
That whole corner.
You know how we do.
Try not to let it ruin our camping trip. Fucking pillow and blanket are, you know, corking up our holes are problems we have in the tent.
Unfortunately, this is true.
We are back from the fucking thunderstorm.
Woo! Look at this, dude. You gotta
look at this.
Are you serious?
I know. This is
the after. Oh my god, dude.
This is the after.
Look how fucking. Look how pretty this is. We're fucking camping, and this is.
We just live for the
This
most
is what we have.
ever.
And I can't understand.
But the last was
Oh, damn! You can see the shit really clear right now. Yeah. Damn, this looks like pretty good. This is the island, the aftermath. Morgan's taking a piss. That's Morgan taking a piss right there. Totally got the stream. Totally got the stream right at the end. Totally got the stream, dude. Right at the end.
About as good as I come, really.
That's a sunset right after the wind storm.
Damn, all that lightning.
Dude, I can't believe that's a sunset that came out of that huge ass fucking.
Hail this big.
Hail the size of a vagina. Very
We
loose
survived it,
edge.
dude.
A loose vagina at that. Look at this, Dylan. He just came back. I don't know. He was out on his own the whole time. He wasn't.
You can't really even see. You can only really see silhouettes right now.
Dude, that sky is amazing.
I know.
What a good end to a good storm.
Another day. Brother, motherland! Brother, motherland! Brother, motherland!
It's the morning after. Morning after the storm.
About to cook breakfast.
It's probably, what time is it? 11 maybe? 10:30? 10:30 possibly.
About to gorge ourselves with some delicious breakfast burrito action.
The boat got flooded.
Water out of the boat.
Boat got flooded.
Morgan doesn't know how to work the pump.
Dylan pooped his pants. He pooped and puked.
Luckily that was where Morgan was sitting.
He puked out the alley hole.
By the way, I'm not the only one that snores, guys. You were definitely snoring at me.
Somebody else was snoring this morning. It wasn't more. It might be me. Probably Dylan.
I was right next to me. This here, I'm not gonna waste battery, but I just caught this catfish and it's now our lunch. It's a pretty good size. We haven't weighed them or measured them yet, but we're gonna kill them. We thought you might want to see it. Oh shit.
Where's his brain?
I thought it was great between his eyes. Damn it. What is that?
It's approximately 4:30, and we just got tickets. Morgan took the rap.
$25.
$525.
175.
I thought he said between 400 and 500.
What?
Didn't he say between 4 and 500? What a jackass.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just got all of our weed and all of our alcohol. So now we're gonna have Michael's pipes done. We got nothing
We're gonna
now.
have a sober night.
We got a beer, half a beer that we've been drinking. And a roach. One roach. He came out of nowhere. Luckily none of us got arrested. He brought a drug dog and everything. Here's to a camping trip.
You know how we do.